Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Rohit Monserrat secured his fifth consecutive term as the mayor of the corporation of the city of Panjim, while Sanjeev Naik maintained his position as deputy mayor for the fourth consecutive term. Both Monserrat and Naik were unopposed in their re-election.
So first of all, I'd like to thank our councillors for all the support that they have given us. I'd like to also thank the people of Panjim for showing their continued faith in the corporation. The corporation has made a lot of strides in these past 5 years, both in terms of our local governance, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of a lot of other issues and everything. And we want to continue to work for the people of Panjim in this last year.
Thank my honorable MLA and minister for giving me this opportunity for the fourth time. I would like to thank Mayor and all my councillors, especially the people from ward number 25 from where I represent today. I am here because of those people. So I would like to have their continued support and I am always there for them.
Monserrat stated that the tree trimming will be the first priority of the corporation, along with other monsoon-related works, before the season approaches. He further stated that the biggest challenge is the ongoing smart city works, of which the deadline is drawing near.
Right now, biggest challenge now is that smart city thing. We want them to finish their work as soon as possible and to leave the city. And now their deadline is fast approaching also, so we hope they get all of their work done on time. Apart from that, we have a regular desilting work is carrying out as a thing. The police and NGOs, certain NGOs last night or day before have conducted raids to remove all the beggars from our city. So we're working on a lot of things. Our municipality building, for example, now we don't have any space to move, so that project is a little stuck right now. But apart from that, we've made progress in all of our things. The market also in phase 3 we made significant progress. Now some people have issues with certain drains that have not been connected to the main drains or not been done properly. So as and when people have issues, we've been addressing that. So same, if anybody else has any issues, please get in touch with directly. Don't wait for the monsoon before something gets bad for you to approach us.
Trimming of the trees and all.
Trimming of trees is going on as per schedule. Also, Forest Department has issued that list to us. We've told our councillors also that the trees that the forest people have identified will be cut on a priority basis first. So within the next month or so, we should be done with all of those with that also.